What's up, everyone? Scott here, coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf with another video here. Now, this is something I've been testing out for a few months now, and it's great. So now that it's tested to pass the time, I work directly with this guy. Do you want $100 unlimited payments to your Cash App, okay? And all we're doing here is when you go to the description below, that's in this description when you smash the subscribe, is watch this 1-minute video that explains how you can be getting instant cash commissions to your Cash App over and over again, and teaming up with me, someone who's been doing this since 2016. So all you're going to do here, and I'm going to show you some proof that it works. I did beta test this last 2 months. I just wanted to make sure it works. It works. It stood the test of time. As you can see, $100, another $100, another $100, another $100, another $100, another $100, another one, and this is to my Cash App, folks. So what you want to do right now is you definitely want to go to the link below after watching this short 2-minute compensation plan. Everything is simple to the point here. So without further ado, I'm going to give it to my business partner, Kevin, who's the owner, and he's going to take you through the comp plan. I'll see you back here in a minute.
Well, it's a one-time $100 Cash App payment that pays you 100% commissions direct to your Cash App account, where you've been able to break even on your very first sale. Your second sale is passed up to your inviter, and you keep your third sale to infinity. Now, each direct or passive sale you receive creates you an endless payline direct to you. And because of this, DirectFlow 365 has a massive appeal here because everyone out there is looking today. Because with just one sale, you've broken even, and you're able to work directly with 6-figure earners here to create your own passive Cash App income stream. It's absolutely amazing because our reverse one-up system here leverages the efforts of other people to create you a passive income. Now, your first referral is going to pay you their $100 Cash App payment to get started. And then once they get started, they're going to pass up their second sale to you, putting you in complete profit with just one referral. Now, your second referral is the one that you're going to be passing up to your inviter, and it's the only sale you'll ever have to pass up. Now, your third, your fourth, your fifth, and every referral after that are going to be sending you their $100 Cash App payment, and then they're going to be passing up their second sale to you. Now, at this point, you've already potentially realized a Cash App income here of $800. Simply following the proven system. But here's where it gets really amazing. All of your passives are now going to be passing you their second sale. And then those passives will be sending you their second sale as well. And every passive you receive moving forward will always pass up their second sale to you. Because the DirectFlow 365 system here keeps working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, flooding your Cash App account with $100 payments. And here's the added bonus to you for just getting started here with DirectFlow. Every one of your referrals is going to be passively recommended to join you in our parent program, our income plan, right there from within their very own DirectFlow back office, creating you a second income stream that has been designed to provide you a long-term monthly residual income.
So, I told you that was easy, very simple, and even after you go to the link in the description below, there's just another short video. Yes, we made everything short, so what are your next steps? And for the first 50 people right now, and I keep track in the team file, so you must connect with me after, and those instructions below, all you're going to do is register, pay a one-time $10 admin fee, okay? And we have a fast start rotator. Just send 100 to the Cash App, just hit get started now. And as an added bonus for the 50 people, that first 50 people, I'm going to give you a training that I do every single month, and it's a private Zoom that I do, and how I built my email list organically, right? Because that's what we teach here. It's almost 6,000 openers. Yes, folks, these are all openers, and I'm going to show you that. So make sure you go to the link in the description below. Watch the video after you watch this. Put your information in here. Listen, everyone's using this. Put your information in. Watch this video getting started. Follow these simple steps here, and I'll see you on my next video, and I'll see you on my team. I look forward to connecting with you. Bye for now.